Click on the link below to get price. The DJI Mini 4 Pro drone with the DJI RC 2-screen remote control is a remarkable piece of technology that elevates aerial photography and videography to new heights. Weighing in at just 249 grams, this drone is incredibly lightweight yet packed with advanced features that cater to both beginners and seasoned pilots alike. One of the standout features of the Mini 4 Pro is its impressive camera capabilities. The drone boasts a 48MP sensor and 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, allowing users to capture stunning images and high-resolution videos. The HDR capabilities ensure that even in challenging lighting conditions, the results are breathtaking. The new autofocus system is quick and reliable, which is crucial for dynamic shooting scenarios. The DJI RC2 remote control enhances the flying experience significantly. The built-in 5.5-inch screen is bright and clear, providing excellent visibility even in direct sunlight. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate through various settings and options. The range is impressive, allowing for flight distances up to 12 kilometers, which is ideal for expansive landscape photography. Flight performance is another strong point for the Mini 4 Pro. With a maximum flight time of approximately 34 minutes, it offers ample opportunity to capture your desired shots. The drone performs admirably in windy conditions, retaining stability and control, which is essential for precise aerial maneuvers. Safety features such as obstacle avoidance sensors and advanced return-to-home capabilities add an extra layer of confidence for users. The drone's compact design makes it easy to transport, fitting snugly into a backpack, which is perfect for on-the-go adventures. Overall, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is a game-changer for anyone interested in aerial imaging. Its blend of portability, advanced technology, and exceptional performance makes it an excellent choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or shooting dynamic videos, this drone is a worthy investment for your creative pursuits.